Excited? Valkonen.
Balcony.
A little prison for your kids. Look. It's missing the lock. Do we have to buy it separately?
They're like the Minecraft cushions that we just got of. Also a Swedish. This is what calls a Polish man's attention. A giant shot glass. The normal shot glass. Yeah.
A big bongo.
Big one. Welcome to our kitchen. As you can see, it's brand new. What is that?
She's not the best cook.
My favorite Swedish things: IKEA, Zara Larsson, Minecraft.
How was it?
It was amazing. We'll be back, and next time with a budget to actually buy it.